PBC organized the workshop on taxonomy, biology and ecology, public awareness and education of box jellyfish in Thailand during the 1st to the 3rd of April at PBC, and we also have the continued seminar on the 4th of April at the Meridien. And the scope of the workshop, the first 2 days will be the scientific background information, and the last day will be the on prevention, first aid treatment, and safety measure of the box jellyfish.
Is it dangerous, the box jellyfish?
Normally, box jellyfish in Australia experience is a very poisonous group of animal, especially on the one species in Australia named Karon. It's very poisonous. They also named the poisonous or venomous animal in the world of Karon in Australian water. And this group of box jellyfish also create many problems in Australian water, that they also facing this problem maybe 20 years ago. And the expert in Australia also came as a resource person to our workshop, so it's very lucky to transfer the experience, issue problem, and to solve or setting the safety measure, prevention, public awareness, first aid treatment, something like that, transfer their experience to Thailand.
Can they be found in Phuket Ocean?
We did few sampling and also can found the box jellyfish, not the same species as Australia yet. So we also ongoing research on how toxicity of the group of box jellyfish found in Thai water. Is it the same level of toxicity as Australia or less? So far it seems like we have less venomous group of box jellyfish compared with the current in Australian water.
But is it still dangerous and deadly?
Yeah, we still consider is a group of the potential poisonous of box jellyfish group, but the level of toxicity we have to do research or send the sample to Australian renowned research unit in Melbourne to analysis for us.
So what should the tourists do? Stay away from those?
So we, as the previous governor, Dr. Prathaiyuth, give very high support for monitoring and also give awareness, not panic, but we have to do public awareness and education. So still going on research, and we do monitoring for safety of the tourists. And luckily, in the west coast of Phuket Island, there are no found box jellyfish. So tourists still safety in the west coast. But in the east coast, we found one spot at Hanambor that their life cycle might related into brackish water and close to the mangrove area.
Do you have your comment on why the number of jellyfish are increasing?
It might be related to many environmental parameters like the prey predator, global warming, or climate change, that are still not clear cut for information. Why is the seasonal of the jellyfish blooming is might related into many environmental parameters.
So what are the first aid operations to do with?
For this part of the workshop, first aid treatment, generally we suggest that vinegar is a general for first aid treatment to pour over the stung area, and then later getting the injured people to see the medical doctor. So tomorrow workshop we will have all day intensive lecture on this safety measure, first aid treatment and prevention. So the group of the medical and public health officer, about 40, will join the workshop tomorrow.